Na kikubor badan ukuna bodang reta ubalalap akor kom ke baper na jingking ompleng haka janmi lifeway regular bera ja penrio rengkat ke jingmi snam ke Kput bat kamadian pat layo jingtep ulayam uba Vivek's aim IPS SP ke East Khasiels District hak shitrek weyong arja penrio long bau tei kuna dolekai ban kendo porlok hasho ban lap yu na kate ke jingking long baki bahiyang tei kuna badang reta kila yo phone call ro jinglap yu na kate ke chaka bala penket yu Shabathani Hospital dak ambulance 108 haka bala ong bu lakhlat shoban poi jing sumar shushu ki Pulit kila lech kate ke chaka ban khmi pnya nadu ki bor Pulit ka forensic crime scene unit ban lom ki sakhi sabut bada ki chingit pnya la shembo amdan da ki wei pat kidak uba Vivek ula ong bu ladan lang bat arngut ki briu bat benram bakidang up ya ka toxicology report ban lapshai lau teu hebret uyap bu di pala di Drok ni na ki wei pat kidaw.
Last night we received information from Bethany Hospital that one brought dead case was of a boy of 16 years was brought to Bethany Hospital and he was brought dead, declared dead. He was brought in a 108 ambulance from Umpling Bridge. Now the boy is a student of class 10. He had come home on the 30th of March for his spring break. Now he had left his home in Motinagar at about 1:30 afternoon and his father had told him, his father is an advocate, had told him to come back before 5:30. He didn't come back at 5:30. At about 6, his parents received calls from his phone that he was there. He was in Umpling Bridge, somewhere in Umpling Bridge. So they went there. They found him in a house and he was unconscious and he was bleeding from his nose. And then immediately in 108 taken to Bethany. We have done inquest over the body. There is no fatal injury of the body, except for the nosebleed and the discoloration of the lips, of the upper lips. And the body has been taken to Nigrims. Today, post-mortem was conducted to actually ascertain what is the actual cause of death. Once we get to know from Nigrims what is the actual cause of death, and also once the toxicology is done, then we can be for very sure what really happened to him. But apparently it doesn't look like any form of assault as of now. Preliminary inquiry would suggest that there is no form of assault on his body and face and all that, which would purport that assault took place. So once the post-mortem report is there and toxicology reports, we will be able to get a clearer picture of it.
He died of overdose drugs, is it true?
That will confirm once the toxicology report has
Whose
come.
house was he found, sir?
In one of the two people who also two people who stay in Umpling only.
His friends?
I would say friends, but acquaintances.
They were using drugs.
Possibility is there.
So how do you treat this case? Murder or unnatural death?
Unnatural death.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.